Picture a vehicle packing 578 horsepower, 8-wheel drive, and even a folding balcony finished in teak wood. Now take it a step further. This same machine is also a fully equipped home, featuring 3 air conditioners, a queen-size bedroom, and an expandable living space that grows from 20 to 25 square meters at the push of a button. Meet the Red Dot Design award-winning Armadillo Conqueror T, a Chinese-built 11-meter-long powerhouse engineered on the Mercedes-Benz Arocs platform. Designed for extreme terrain, this military-grade foundation allows the Conqueror T to push the boundaries of what expedition living can be. This isn't just another off-road RV. It's a mobile penthouse with unmatched capability, combining luxury, engineering, and raw off-road dominance into one unstoppable machine. Today, we're breaking down every detail of this remarkable build. Watch the video and let us know in the comments how this Chinese expedition RV stacks up against the American heavyweight, the Earthroamer SX. Let's dive in. Let's start with what makes the Conqueror T truly exceptional, the platform it's built on. At the heart of this machine is a Mercedes-Benz Arocs 8x8 chassis, the same foundation used in military applications and extreme commercial operations. We're talking about a truck designed to handle war zones and disaster areas, now repurposed for the ultimate overlanding experience. The numbers are staggering: 578 horsepower and 2,800 Newton-meters of torque channeled through a 12-speed AMT automatic transmission. But here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just 8-wheel drive. This is full-time 8-wheel drive with 4 inner wheel locks and 3 inner axle locks. What does that mean in real terms? It means you can lock any combination of wheels together to maintain traction in conditions that would stop anything else. Stuck in deep sand? Lock it up. Climbing a 45-degree incline through mud? Lock it up. One wheel in the air on rocky terrain? The system redistributes power to the wheels with grip. The vehicle rides on massive 14-inch Michelin XZL off-road tires. These are proper military-spec tires designed for the harshest conditions on Earth. Each one is engineered to handle the vehicle's 23,000-kilogram weight, while maintaining traction on surfaces ranging from desert sand to Arctic ice. With a 600-liter fuel tank, you've got the range to disappear into remote territory for weeks. And meeting Chinese 6B emission standards means this beast is cleaner than you'd expect for something this capable. Now, here's where the Conqueror T separates itself from every other expedition vehicle: the power-operated terrace. Press a button, and an entire outdoor living space extends from the side of the vehicle, expanding your usable area from 20 to approximately 25 square meters. This isn't a simple awning. This is a fully engineered balcony with a load capacity of 500 kilograms, complete with high-end marine-grade teak flooring. The terrace comes equipped with its own outdoor kitchen, couch, and tea table. Imagine this. You've just driven through 200 kilometers of desert trail. The sun is setting over a landscape where no other humans exist for 100 miles. You extend your terrace, fire up the outdoor kitchen, and enjoy dinner on your private balcony with a view that money literally cannot buy at any hotel. The teak flooring isn't just for aesthetics, it's the same marine-grade material used on luxury yachts, chosen for its durability, non-slip properties, and resistance to extreme weather. It's been non-chemically oil polished to withstand everything from desert heat to tropical humidity. And that 500-kilogram load capacity? That's roughly 6 or 7 adults standing on your balcony simultaneously. This isn't a fragile extension, it's a serious structural component designed for real use. The engineering behind this system is remarkable. The Armadillo Kennyfix 3-point torque-free subframe system isolates the living module from the chassis, meaning the flexing and twisting that happens when driving off-road doesn't translate into cracks, leaks, or damage to your home. The chassis can articulate wildly while your living space remains protected. Step inside, and you immediately understand why the design jury praised this vehicle for exceptional comfort. The interior is designed for 4 people to live comfortably with genuine privacy. The queen-size bed measures 1,960 by 1,450 millimeters. That's a real bed, folks, not an RV compromise. It's located in a separate bedroom with an actual door, wardrobe, and bedside cupboard. No more awkward living situations when traveling with friends or family. The main living area features a U-shaped 6-seater lounge around a dining table. This isn't just for show. This configuration converts into twin beds, measuring 1,960 by 1,250 millimeters, providing sleeping space for 2 additional people without anyone feeling like they're camping in a hallway. The round sofa can also convert to a double bed, giving you remarkable flexibility in how you use the space. 4 adults can sleep in genuine comfort, not crammed into convertible dinettes where someone always gets stuck with a bad spot. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, combination unit, coffee maker, and all the appliances you need to prepare real meals. We're not talking about camping cuisine here. You can cook as if you were in a proper kitchen because you essentially are. Climate control is serious business in the Conqueror T. 3. DC inverter air conditioners provide 2.6 kilowatts of cooling capacity each. That's 7.8 kilowatts total, enough to keep the entire space comfortable even in extreme desert heat. The system also includes a filtered, positive pressure ventilation system that maintains air quality without letting in dust and insects. For cold weather, you've got 2 4-kilowatt diesel heater systems, plus radiator heating, specifically in the bedroom and bathroom. Whether you're in the Sahara or Siberia, the Conqueror T keeps you comfortable. Let's talk about something most off-road RVs get wrong: the bathroom. The Conqueror T features a dry and wet area separation system with dedicated air ventilation. This isn't a tiny cubicle where everything gets soaked when you shower. This is a thoughtfully designed space where you can actually use the shower without flooding the toilet area. The shower features auto thermal control. Set your temperature and it maintains it perfectly. No more dancing around trying to find the sweet spot between scalding and freezing. And with a 9-kilowatt automatic diesel hot water boiler plus a 40-liter water heater, you've got endless hot water for multiple showers back to back. The marine-type electric ceramic toilet is reliable and easy to maintain, connected to a 160-liter stainless steel black water tank with a level sensor and electric sewage pump. For gray water, you've got 240 plus 140 liters of capacity with manual discharge. This means you can go days or weeks between dump station visits, depending on your usage. There's even a heating radiator in the bathroom because nobody wants to step out of a hot shower into a freezing space when you're camping in cold weather. The water supply system is equally impressive. An 800-liter stainless steel freshwater tank with an automatic pump and antifreeze system. That's more water capacity than most small apartments. The system includes pre-filtration at the refill point, an outdoor water interface, and even an outdoor shower for rinsing off before coming inside. Now let's talk about what makes weeks of off-grid living possible: the Armadillo Automatic Hybrid Electric Supply System. This is one of the most sophisticated power systems you'll find in any RV. At the core is a massive 900 amp-hour, 24-volt lithium iron phosphate battery pack. That's 21.6 kilowatt-hours of storage, roughly equivalent to what you'd find in some electric vehicles. Charging comes from multiple sources: an 8-kilowatt super quiet water-cooled diesel generator, solar panels, and shore power when available. The 8 kilovolt amperes Victron Energy Quattro inverter and converter system manages everything intelligently, automatically switching between power sources based on what's available and what's most efficient. The automatic intelligent electric management system monitors everything: how much power you're generating, how much you're using, battery, state of charge, and estimated runtime. BEP marine AC and DC breaker panels provide professional-grade circuit protection, while a battery isolator ensures your vehicle's starting batteries remain charged even if you drain your house batteries. There's even a battery emergency switch for critical situations and a power system monitor that gives you complete visibility into your electrical system's performance. Throughout the interior, you'll find 24-volt LED lighting that's incredibly efficient, standard Chinese electrical sockets for all your devices, and switches positioned exactly where you need them. The solar power integration means that in sunny conditions, you can run almost everything without touching your generator or shore power. The system is designed to keep those 3 air conditioners running, keep your refrigerator cold, charge your devices, and power all your lighting purely from the sun on a good day. The construction of the Conqueror T deserves special attention because this is where cheap RVs fail and quality units like this excel. The living module is built with high-strength FRP sandwich panels at 65 mm thick using thermal bridge-free construction. This means exceptional insulation without the cold spots that plague conventional RVs. The structure stays warm in winter and cool in summer without burning through power trying to compensate for poor insulation. The windows are Armadillo Special, custom-made units with composite glass, marine-grade sunshades, and insect screens. These aren't RV windows that rattle and leak. These are serious components built to the same standards as yacht windows. The skylight follows the same marine-grade philosophy, providing natural light and ventilation while keeping out weather and bugs. The entrance door features an electric lock with password and keycard entry. No more fumbling with keys when your hands are full. The door itself is custom-made by Armadillo to their exacting standards. Even the stairs are exceptional. Armadillo's 5-step automatic stairs are constructed from 7075 T6 aircraft aluminum, the same alloy used in aerospace applications, chosen for its incredible strength-to-weight ratio and corrosion resistance. This level of attention to detail extends to every component. Marine-grade fittings throughout ensure corrosion resistance. Professional-grade plumbing and wiring means reliability. The torque-free subframe system means the living module doesn't suffer stress cracks from off-road driving. This is a vehicle designed to last decades, not just a few years. Let's not forget that before it's a home, the Conqueror T is a serious driving machine. The L-cab configuration provides either a 2-seat setup with a bed or a 4-seat configuration, depending on your needs. The seats feature air suspension with ventilation and heating, crucial when you're spending hours driving through challenging terrain and varying climates. That 12-speed AMT automatic transmission means you're not wrestling with a manual gearbox while rock crawling or navigating steep descents. The system handles the complexity of managing power delivery across 8 wheels while you focus on picking your line through obstacles. The elevated driving position gives you commanding visibility, essential when you're navigating trails, where one wrong move could mean hours of recovery work. The Armadillo Conqueror T represents something extraordinary in the world of expedition vehicles. This is what happens when you take a Mercedes military-grade 8x8 chassis and ask, what if this could be the most comfortable home you've ever lived in? This isn't a vehicle that compromises. It doesn't ask you to choose between capability and comfort, between range and luxury, between serious off-road performance and genuine livability. The Conqueror T delivers all of it. If you're serious about expedition travel, the Armadillo Conqueror T might be the most capable expedition RV ever built. So, do you think that this RV is better than the Earth Roamer SX? If you haven't yet watched the Earth Roamer video, watch the next video on your screen. Hit that like button if this is your dream vehicle, subscribe for more expedition RV content, and drop a comment letting us know where you would take this beast on its first adventure.